All of the construction people, everybody that we met were so nice, so respectful and knowledgeable, but they were there to serve us, and I never felt like we were being sold something or strong-armed.
My name is Steve Walker. This is my wife Joanna. We bought a Tabor home in Timbercrest in Edmond. We were trying to downsize. It was just perfect.
For me, being retirees and trying to downsize, I liked having a new home that I wasn't going to have to worry about. Especially as a grandparent, I liked all the extra amenities of the park and the pool, and having a neighborhood with sidewalks so my grandkids could skateboard and bicycle and all. So the neighborhood really appealed.
I asked if they would allow an outside realtor to get involved, and they said sure. So we called our realtor and she came over and she was amazed at the quality. I love the master bathroom that's big but not too big. I like the walk-in shower. It just has the right feel to it.
It's all the colors, and it's all the colors that I would like or pick. So, but that it's also big enough for me to have family in and to entertain, and very comfortable for us and relaxing.
The other thing I love is it has an indoor gas fireplace, but it has an outdoor wood-burning fireplace on the patio, which we've already used it. Finally got cold, and as soon as it did, man, we threw some wood in there and sat out there and enjoyed that. That's going to be a big plus.
One of my favorite selling points for me was the outdoor fireplace.
I've got a friend probably retiring in California, moving back here to Oklahoma, and can't wait to get here in about 2 years. And I've already told him, I said, get online and start looking, man. You ought to buy one now, because they're going to do nothing but appreciate value. I said, you probably ought to buy one now and you just let it sit.